So most automatic litter boxes you have seen, they work like this. The whole drum rotates, flips everything upside down. But this one, the Robotail C32, completely different approach. This uses a rake system. Think of it more like a Roomba for cat litter. The litter bed stays flat, stays stable. Nothing spinning your cats around. And that one design choice, it changed everything about how this works, how cats actually use it, and honestly how safe it feels to watch. Here's the full cycle. Your cat does their thing, leaves. After a delay, usually a few minutes, the rake activates. It pushes forward through the litter, and as it moves, it's pushing clumps straight back into the waste bin at the rear. Now here's the clever part. There's actually a dual rake design. The main rake, that's the thick metal part, scoops up the big clumps, but behind it, there's a finer rake section that catches the smaller particles, the residue that gets left behind. So by the time the cycle's done, you've got waste in the bin, and clean litter stays where it is. The litter surface itself never rotates, never flips, it just gets clean. Okay, so why this matters versus the rotating drum style? First, the litter surface is stable. Your cat steps into something that feels like a normal litter box every single time. No tilted surface, no wear angles, just flat litter. Second, because it's not flipping the entire chamber, you get better separation. Large clumps go in one direction, smaller particles get filtered out separately. The rotating drums, they kind of just tumble everything together and hope for the best. Third, and this is something you only appreciate after a few months, maintenance is way more straightforward. You're not dealing with a complex drum mechanism that needs deep cleaning. It's a metal rake that slides back and forth. You can literally lift it out, rinse it off, takes about 2 minutes. Now let's talk about why cats actually use this thing. Because if they won't go in, none of this matters. It's open top, no enclosed chamber, no tunnel effects. Your cat walks up, sees an open space, can turn around comfortably. This is especially important if you have a larger cat. Anything over, say, 50 pounds, those enclosed rotating boxes feel cramped. The C32 handles cats from 3.3 pounds all the way up to 23 pounds. And because there's no ceiling, no narrow entry, bigger cats are not in this awkward shuffle just squeeze in and turn around. From a behavioral standpoint, this aligns better with how cats naturally prefer to eliminate. They like to see their surroundings, they like space. This gives them both. One thing that always made me nervous with rotating boxes is hard to see what's happening inside during a cleaning cycle. It's enclosed. Here, it's open. You can literally watch the rake move. And more importantly, the C32 has 4 weight sensor built into the base. The second your cat steps in, even just one paw, the entire system pauses. I test this. Mid-cleaning cycle, I put my hand in, instant stop, no delay. That's the kind of safety feature that actually matters, because cats are unpredictable. They will walk back in 30 minutes after they just left, and the system catches that every time. From an owner's perspective, this is what changed. You're not scooping anymore, at all. And the waste bin in the back, it handles multiple cleaning cycles before it needs to be empty. And because the lid is transparent, you can actually see when it's getting full. No guessing, no overflowing, you just look. Odor control is handled by replaceable deodorizer blocks. Pop them in, they last a few weeks, replace when the app tells you to. Speaking of which, the app tracks everything. How many times your cats use it, their weight, each visit, when the bin's getting full. So your routine shifts from daily scooping to check the app once a day. Emptying the bin maybe twice a week. That's it. The mental load of "did I scoop today" just disappears. Quick note on litter. Robotail makes their own and is cassava based. Why does that matter? Cassava litter forms really firm clumps. When it's cleaning, those clumps move cleanly. They don't crumble, don't leave residue stuck to the button. It's also low dust plant based. And here's the nice bonus. You can flush small amounts. Not whole box obviously, but individual clumps, yeah, that works. Now will other litters work? Sure. But if you want the system to run at its best, especially long term, the cassava stuff is optimized for this rake mechanism. So who should actually get this? If a cat refuses to use enclosed boxes, this solves that. If you have larger cats, anything over 12 to 15 pounds, the open design makes a huge difference. Multi-cat households, the app can track individual cats if they are different weights, so you know who's using and how often. And honestly, if you're just tired of scooping every single day, this is the upgrade. You're not eliminating all maintenance, but you're cutting it down to maybe 10 minutes a week instead of 5 minutes every day. Here's the thing about the C32. It's not automating the same old litter box design. It's changing the cleaning method itself. Rake instead of rotation, open instead of enclosed. And that difference, you notice that every time your cat walks up and just goes in without hesitation. That's what actually matters. If you're interested in this Robotail automatic litter box, I will put the link in the description. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.